Hey, Glyn Hughes, EMFprotection.co.uk. I'm going to talk to you today about a new and extremely innovative approach we're taking to helping people live in an EMF-soaked world. Many of you know me, but for those that don't, I've been around this business, this section, for over 21 years now, and I've always been someone who focused on measuring, detecting the levels of EMF in an environment where people live or work or study, and then minimizing that with radiation protective materials. So if you like, I've always focused on the exterior environment that the humans are trying to live in. Whereas in recent times, I've been looking into, and I don't just mean looking into, I mean studying in depth, what's going on inside the body as a result of exposure to electromagnetic fields, and what's causing the sickness that we know, or we believe. Not everybody is putting the world's ever-increasing ill health down to electromagnetic fields, and it's not only that, of course, but I believe it's a major part of it. And so what's going on in the body? Why is it happening? And can we do anything about it? And the good news is, we at EMF Protection think we've come up with the answer to what's going on. But not only that, we've got the solution. So let's talk about what's really going on in our environment and how we can actively change it. Everything electrical creates a magnetic field. That includes Wi-Fi routers, mobile phones, smart meters, and on and on and on. Those fields carry information, not just energy. And the human body, it's electrical too. Our cells communicate through electrical signals. Our nervous system runs on voltage. Our health depends on clear, coherent communication at the cellular level. So the problem we're actually facing is modern technology floods our environment with chaotic, non-biological signals. So most people today are effectively doing this. They're playing Russian roulette with their health. They're sitting inside a sea of Wi-Fi, mobile signals, and electrical noise, and hoping their body can cope. But hope isn't a strategy. So the first thing we've got to do is put the right frequency, override the negative stuff, the non-biological stuff from the Wi-Fi routers, etc., and put a designed natural frequency into the body. Water is the primary medium inside the human body. Every biological process depends on it. When water is structured and imprinted with a specific coherent frequency, it becomes information rich. When we drink that water, we're not just hydrating, we're delivering a signal. That signal is the frequency the cells recognize and respond to as healthy. So now the water inside us, inside the body, is carrying a clear message. This is the state we want to be in. So step one is by overriding the ill health signals that the water carries. Most of our cells and most of our humanity carries now, which is, that's all of us, isn't it? Wi-Fi, mobile phones, etc. So step one, we override that with a healthy frequency, a frequency designed around the body, the same frequency that God designed the body with in the first place. So we've dealt with that. Step one, we've made the body able to communicate coherently and heal itself. So what's step two? So that's the internal environment. Step two is to change the signaling around the body, so the external environment. And that's where most approaches stop, but this system doesn't. Instead of trying to escape Wi-Fi, phones or electricity, which is impossible, we use them. Small frequency stickers are placed on selected devices, Wi-Fi routers, mobile phones, smart meters, etc. These devices generate electromagnetic fields. That field powers the sticker, allowing it to broadcast a coherent, biologically supportive frequency into the surrounding environment. So instead of being bathed in random disruptive signals, the body is now immersed in a corrective one. We're not blocking technology, we're overriding the information it carries. So why do the two together matter? This is the key. The structured water sets an internal signal. The environmental frequencies reinforce that signal externally. The body is no longer fighting its surroundings. Internal and external information match. The coherence is what allows the nervous system to calm, cellular communications to stabilize, and the body to move back towards regulation and balance. The bottom line, this isn't passive protection. This is active signal correction. We're not sitting in Wi-Fi anymore. We're not playing Russian roulette with our cell phones and our hearts anymore. We're deliberately changing the information our body receives inside and out. And when the signals align, the body does what it's always designed to do: heal, regulate, and thrive. Thanks for listening.